pagkatapos nito. Ayan. Kasi dalawa lang extra ko na phone. Dalawa lang. So, ito pangatlo. So, I need to buy new phones, maybe. Because my other phone is dead. Dead one. So, not able na siya mag-charge. Na, hindi na siya pwede mag-charge. Ewan ko ba? Bakit siya na dedo? Because siguro sobrang gamit, no? Napagod na rin. Napapagod ngayong cellphone, tao pa. Lelhemi, sub to me. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay, Dan, sa iyong video, limpa. So, wow, nice. Okay. Okay, Miss Linkits. Ayan, thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Oh, bigyan kita ng banana, Miss Linkits, dito sa aking, isa kong phone. Okay, guys. Ibaba mo yung ni Nets, Miss Linkits. Baba mo yung ni Nets. Pagnoorin ko dito sa kabila. Okay? I miss you. Uy! Mga gusto didikit dyan, nag-iwan na lang baka. Salamat. Thank you so much. You miss me, Triple T. Oh, if you miss me, you watch my video. Okay, I will add more. I'm here watching your video. Ron Vlog. Ron Vlog. Okay, Ron Vlog, I'm here. Don't worry. Thank you so much, Ron Vlog. Okay, ayan. Okay. Ito Ron Vlog ha, bagong YouTubers ka ba? Oh, sige. Watching. Thumbs up number 1 in your video 22 hours ago. Oh, and no comment. Meron pa comment dito sa iyong video. Okay, dito magko-comment ako ha. Ron Vlog. Ayan, watching sa iyong video. Okay. Ayan, Triple T, thank you so much, Triple T. And also Dark Soldier, thank you, Dark. Thank you, Nate. And Atinimpa, maraming salamat. Miss Linkits, thank you also, Miss Linkits. Ayan, you can drop by your link, guys, so that I can play all your videos. Ayan, done to the Resident Evil. Okay. Ayan, kailangan pugi. Mom's duty pa rin. Thank you. Ayan, and Dark, and I will add more to make it 5 videos. Okay? So here. Ayan, thank you, Dark. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I make it 5, Dark. Okay? Okay, watching here again. Thumbs up number 2, Centro. Kill na Wali. Nawali. Okay, almost done to the video, Ron. Ron Vlog. Thank you. Triple T shared your video. Wow, thank you for sharing, my friend Triple T. I love you so much, my friend Triple T. And Miss Linkits, can you drop by the link dyan para ma-play natin ang mga videos?